Welcome to Cakes Factory, where elegance meets flavor. In today's video, we are featuring 15 rich and luxurious cake wedding ideas that are perfect for modern brides and grooms. From dramatic dark chocolate ties to soft ganch finish, each design is made for wow effect. Let's begin this sweet journey. The first is classic chocolate tied cake, a tall three-tied cake with smooth chocolate ginge and elegant flavored touches, simple, timeless, and full of flavor. The next is chocolate and royal cake. Deep chocolate frosting paired with edible gold accent and fresh flowers. Like, like, like this cake scream royalty. The next is dark chocolate elegance cake. Dark matte chocolate finish with cascading green, roses, and gold dust details. A bold yet romantic look. The next is chocolate drip wedding cake. Each tire drips with rich chocolate ginge. Add macarons, pearls, and soft flowers for a dreamy wedding vibe. The next is rustic neck chocolate cake. Chocolate layer slightly exposed between cream, decorate with fruits and greenery. Perfect for a garden or outdoor wedding. The next is chocolate marble cake. Marble effect in chocolate and vanilla swirl. Smooth texture, gold stroke, and soft white roses. Finish the look. The next is white ganch cake. Romantic cake, fully like ganch frosting with pipe floral rosette, lace design, and a touch of shimmer, sweet and soft. The next is two-tone chocolate wedding cake. One side rich chocolate, the other creamy vanilla. Split design with elegant piping and mixed flavors. The next is minimalist dark chocolate cake, sleek and simple. Tall, tied with smooth dark pinch and a single layer rose or fondant bow, elegant and modern. The next is chocolate floral cascade cake, cascading flowers in bunch, blush and colorful flowing from top to base over deep chocolate layers, romantic and dramatic. The next is cocoa berry wedding cake, chocolate sponge with filling berries topped with conch and fresh raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, rich and natural. The next is chocolate lace wedding cake. Delight edible lace detail over a dark chocolate, feminine, vintage, and charming. The next is metallic chocolate wedding cake. Add silver or gold metallic panel beads, chocolate shine to give your cake a luxury designer finish. The next is chocolate rose gold cake. Modern design using chocolate kinge with rose gold drip, metallic flowers, and soft blush cream elements. Then last is tall luxury chocolate cake. A tall grand statement chocolate cake, dark chocolate base, gold ribbons, fresh roses, and edible pearls. Fit for a royal wedding. And that's your look at 15 chocolate wedding cake ideas. Each one a blend of beauty and deliciousness. Whether you love gold, berries, floral, or modern style, there is a cake here for every bride and every love story. Tell us in the comment which design made your heart melt. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and tap the bell icon for more luxury ideas only on Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. May your big day as sweet as your cake. My best wishes are with you. Try to make your wedding or big day more delicious like all these chocolate cakes. This is all for chocolate lovers who love chocolate very much. Thank you for your time, care, and a lot of love and support that you gave me.